What up, everybody? It's your boy Young Fizz, aka Mr. Dope Status on Instagram, and I'm about to show you guys how I made this beat. So let's go ahead and get right into it. So the thing that I want to start with is the thing that sparked my inspiration for the track, which is the melody here. So I'm just gonna solo this up, and we're gonna play the melody. When I listened to the melody, I heard a few different elements. Now, the first thing I noticed right away was that, to me, the sample felt a little bit slow. And so the first thing that I did was change the tempo. So I came up in here and just changed it to 150, just a little bit, not too much. I just changed the tempo. When listening to the sample, I also heard that the fact that the high end was just a little bit too high for my taste. So I reached for a filter, and that's built in right into the Maschine, and I just added a filter. So now let's listen to it with the sample sped up and then also with the filter. So it gave me like this video game slash like a Zelda type of atmospheric sound. So the next thing I did was I just wanted to enhance what was already there. So I added a rayon, which is like a reverb. So go ahead and insert that in. And now let's take a listen to what it sounds like with the reverb added. Now, once I heard that, I was sold. So now I just knew I just needed to add the bass and then the drums, and that was gonna be the track. I'm gonna come over here. So I'm just gonna select scene, section A, and I'm gonna play the bass for you guys in solo mode first so you can hear what the bass is doing. Now that's pretty much the track there. So when you put this and mix the intro together, that becomes the section A of my track. So let's play it and see what it's sounding like. And so last but not least, all I really need to do was add the drum programming. So I have my drums on group B, and this is what it's sounding like here. We're gonna solo the drums and play it. So my method within programming the drums was to keep it very simple, dumbed down as possible, while keeping the track moving and also adding enough space so that everything just kind of meshes well together. And I think I did a pretty good job of doing that. So let's listen to everything all together. Now, the thing I love about the Maschine, it takes my production a step further because I can already play with the arrangement. So if I want to hear the intro, I can hear the intro. If I want to hear the hook, or if I just want to hear the verse. So my track is already arranged just like that. I hope you guys found some value in this video. If you did, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and please do not forget to turn on the bell notifications. It's your boy Young Fizz. Thank you for watching, and we will see you on the next video. We out. Sit right here.
count